Second installation induction meeting of Leo's Sunshine Gangtok. The Leo's Sunshine Gangtok, under the Lions Club of Gangtok Greens, successfully conducted its second installation and induction meeting at Kazi Road, Gangtok, on the 14th of September, 2024. The event was chaired by District Zonal Chairperson, Anima Sarda, and saw the participation of several Leos, including new members, with strong support from the Lions Club of Gangtok Greens. Newly installed Leo team, Leo Tvisha Mishra, immediate past president, Leo Arush Agarwal, president, Leo Mahip Sharma, general secretary, Leo Pratik Agarwal, treasurer, Leo Dondup Dadul, vice president 1, Leo Minali Sharma, vice president 2, Leo Puja Sharma, joint secretary 1, Leo Ruisang Pakhrin, joint secretary 2, Leo Rinchen Dadul, joint treasurer, Leo Darshana Samani, tail twister. Executive members, Leo Sonam Lachengpa, Leo Mansi Agarwal, Leo Jessica. The event concluded with a heartfelt gesture as District Zonal Chairperson, Anima Sarda, presented tokens of appreciation to both the newly inducted and existing Leo members. The Leo team would like to extend a special thank to the convener of the Leos, Lion Bimla Dadul, and Lion Subhash Daga, for the constant support and guidance throughout the process. The program wrapped up on a joyful note with a delightful meal shared among all attendees.
Will you maintain and credit to the committee, the district, and to the Lions Club International. Now you are joined, all of you are joined with Lions Club International, huh? Chicago में हम head office का सब ले दे सब फोको लेके के काम करते हैं because we have to report everything over. And first bite to your coach. First bite of your coach. Because of him you are.
Yeah. Now let's congratulate him first.
Some of the lines go down. Which lines we say?
Now we'll all come here.
You go now.
Shira, introduce को. Introduce कर दो मैंने Shira.
He is home Chetri, okay? So he's been guiding the kids all the while. He already had this 7 Stars United Football Club already in Shari Kopibadi and training these young kids all the while. So somehow we got in touch with him and we are so privileged to have him here today with us with such talented kids. So he's the brain behind the 7 Stars who are today Leo kids with us. You know? So he'll also be associated with us since he's the first guy.
Okay. For the coach, sir, I'm from Parachute. So any phone, anything you require, please contact me. For the club.
Now we make them come to say.